My name's Joseph Marshall. I've been the president of this club for 4 months now, my second term. We take it in turns, volunteer to be the monkey man. The club's been, this is the 10th year of the club. We started in 1999. I think I joined in 2001 or 2002. We're a very friendly, family-orientated club. We do Easter egg runs to the Southern General's Hospital, Ward 66. It's for sick children who've had usually brain injuries. We also go at Christmas time. A couple of guys in the club are daft enough to dress up, which is always amusing. We have about 20 odd members. We're slowly growing. We do camping trips. We go up north or even down south even sometimes. We meet every Tuesday at the Round Tree in Uddingston, just behind Tunnock's factory. At about 7 o'clock in the summer months we try and leave a bit earlier. Sometimes we're out for 3-4 hours, cover maybe 200-250 miles, just wherever the road takes us.
Well, my name is Andy Cuthbert and I joined the club 4 years ago, and we used to go up to see racing at Knockhill, and from that the bike club started to support myself to do track days, and after that I started racing myself. I ended up doing not too badly, ended up third in the Scottish Championships, and then I've raced over at the big Northwest 200 racing in Northern Ireland. I had a great time. All the boys came over and supported me for the week. Fantastic.
My name's Chris. I've been a member of the club for about 9 years, basically before it started. I've been the president for 2.5 years, and I just Joe took over it about a month ago. The club is very family orientated. We take on riders from 17 to 60 to 70, whoever wants to come out riding, from 125s to whatever bikes I've got. Well, we a lot of guys, when we go away, they take their girlfriends or their wives. My own wife, she's got a 125 and she comes out quite a lot with us. Not as much as she'd like, but she likes to come out. We have a friend over in M74 Motorcycles, Davey. Davey's very good with us. He sponsors the boys on the Scottish Championships at the racing. Davey, when they do you a bad turn, something's wrong with your bike, he'll fix it. You know he's going to fix it right. He's good with the guys with a discount, so it can be very dear, no expensive when you're going to fix your bikes, but give Davey's due, he's straight up with. For any people who would like to come down and join the club, or just come down and see us, see what it's all about, have a bit of laugh with us. We're at the Round Tree, first Tuesday of every month, but the guys are there every Tuesday, so any Tuesday night that they want to come down to the Round Tree around about 7:30, 8 o'clock, and just have a bit of crack, a bit of fun, see if you like it. They're more than welcome to join, from, as I say, 17-year-old to 80-year-old.